Today we are the students of Sloka to perform these fundamental rites in front of you. Hello everyone is a very big day for all Indians. As we rejoice, we celebrate Constitution Day. It is celebrated in India every 26th November to commemorate the adoption of Constitution of India on 26th November 1949. The Constituent Assembly of India has adopted the Constitution of India and it came into on 26th January 1950. Our constitution is not merely a documental file, it's a vehicle of life, its spirits always being spirits of ranges. When we talk about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, we refer to our constitution. When we talk about our constitution, we remember Baba Saheb Ambedkar, both are separated. Our constitution has given many fundamental rights for the all Indian citizens like right to equality, right to freedom, right to against exploitation, right to culture and education, right to constitutional remedy, right to freedom of religion.
Can you please give me 2000 rupees for school conducting Hyderabad trip plan?
2000 rupees, we are not going anywhere.
Yes, our school is conducted to trip to Hyderabad. Can you give me 3000 rupees for that?
Okay, my friend, I give 2000 rupees in that.
What you love brother to go?
Because in Hyderabad, we are not allowed to go out.
That is wrong, you are not allowed to do it to me. I need right to equality.
Sorry, my friend, I give 30,000 rupees in that. Yes, Priya, as right to equality, no one could be discriminated on the basis of his or her gender, caste, religion. As like Priya, everyone has access to public places like parks, restaurants, hotels, etc.
Missy, how are you? I'm fine. What about you? I am good. You know I have joined a good college for my education. What type of college is it? All types of education, students, cultural teaching about minority can set up. But India is a secular country. If you do so, what other people do? Yes, India is secular country, but the constitution says minority can set up the education need. Okay, all the best. Best of luck. Thank you.
Educational right, everyone has access to educational remedies in their own culture, can develop their own cultural right.
Hi Manjula, how are you? I am fine Lahari, what about you? I am fine Manjula, I want to talk about Christianity. I am practicing to go to Christianity. Oh, why are you converting into Christianity suddenly? But I like to go to Christianity.
Hi girls, what happened? Why you are so shocked?
See Madhuri, suddenly she is converting into Christianity.
What? Why you are going to Christianity but society thinking about you?
But why I have to stop it? I like to go to Christianity. It is a fundamental right to freedom of religion.
Okay, it is a good decision.
Yes, religious freedom is provided to all the Indian citizens and every person has their own choice to practice their religion.
Different colors, only 5 piece ma'am. Please buy 1 pen ma'am. I don't want anything. Get a sign. Ma'am, please ma'am, at least buy 1 pen ma'am.
Wait, what are you doing here? At this age you want to study. You should study at school.
I'm not going to school. My father sends me here by pens.
Who is your father? I want to meet him.
Dad, someone came to meet you.
Who's that?
I don't know.
Sir, what type of father are you? You sent this girl to sell pens.
He is my daughter. I can make her whatever I want to tell. Who are you?
I am responsible citizen for right to against exploitation. This is not right. You sent this girl to sell pens at 14 years age. You did not send this girl. This is not right. You want to be at jail. You want to go to school?
Yes, Dad, I want to go to school.
Sorry, ma'am. I will send my daughter to school. Sorry, my child.
Yes, Gauri is right. The Constitution prohibits human trafficking, force, labors, and employment of children under 14 years of age.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is P. Eugenia. It is my qualifications.
We have made some qualifications that are completely eligible for this job.
But let me ask this caste. What caste you belong?
I am Dalit caste person.
Sorry, but we don't have lower caste employee in our company.
Ma'am, but you does not reject this job because of my caste.
We have our company rule.
Ma'am, I will file case on your company against.
You may proceed.
Your Honor, they rejected my client job because of his caste. Is it correct? Just because he's a Dalit.
Objection, Your Honor. It's a private company, they can make their own rules.
According to right to freedom, my client has all rights to adopt any profession.
Okay. So after hearing all the witnesses, the court has taken final decision. We are giving warning to the company and lawyer to not encourage this type of discriminations.
Yes, it is correct decision. The right to freedom has given right to expressions, right to speech, and we can travel in any place of India.
Now, when it comes to constitutional remedies, it allows all the citizens of country fundamental right and protect them, save themselves.